Well, first of all, really delighted to have everyone come over today to celebrate the opening of the new conference room in the projects building. This has been an ongoing project and a really great partnership between our O&M staff and IT, and our ability to retrofit this room in a way that over the years it's been used for many different purposes, but is always well used, but has been off the line for a while. But it's now back and ready to be used for a wide range of activities. It's going to be on the sign-up list, so if you're interested in using it as one of our many conference centers, you'll have the opportunity to do that. But when you take a look at our campus and you see our various facilities, the upgrades that we've enjoyed over the years have been really pretty phenomenal. But this one is especially special to me because it allows us to really take this room and put it back to use, first of all, but secondly, do it in a way that's really quite an upgrade. And again, this IT and OM partnership was really delightful to see. So to Jim and to Jamie, thank you so much for all you've done to get this room back online, and we're really excited to be able to use it. So thank you.